Hello, I'm Barbara Hemphill, founder of Productive Environment Institute. Over 40 years ago, I started helping people organize their homes. And I quickly learned that the biggest challenge was organizing paper. I found paper in closets, in garages, under beds, stacked beside dressers, beside beds, beside living room tables. And when I began to work with clients about them, I realized that it wasn't really the paper that was the problem. It was what the paper represents. Our company for 4 decades has been based on 4 words. Clutter is postponed decisions. And one of the things that Productive Environment Institute is passionate about is helping people learn how to make decisions about their paper, about their digital information, about their to-do lists, about their time, about their relationships, about their marketing, because our ability to make good decisions affects everything we do in our life, personally and professionally. We've developed this program to give you the support you need to organize your paper and all the other areas in your life so you can accomplish your work and enjoy your life. Research shows that you're 67% more likely to succeed if you have an accountability partner. Or as we say in PEI, together we are better. I hope you'll join us.